Today is a very scary and exciting day because I'm about to start the most intense fitness challenge I think I've ever done. How are you? And I'm going to document it all for you guys so you can see me get less fat. But to start with, I woke up this morning with a message from Sir Alan, who you're going to meet in a minute, who is our trainer. And how can you not be motivated with this?
Face the day today. It's going to be fun, it's going to be hard, but worth it. I feel blessed and highly favored, as this program you're starting today will be life-changing. But fear not.
I'm very excited. You guys are going to come along with us. So let's go meet Sir Alan. I'm scared. Now, as you guys know, I know very little about fitness, so we are going to be learning together on this journey. We're actually going to be doing all of this on our compound here in Riyadh called Flow, because we've got a great gym literally in our apartment building, so no need to travel out, which should help. And Sir Alan's going to teach me what to eat, train me, and a more holistic approach to the mindset stuff. So I'm very excited to get into it. I have no idea how this is going to go, so let's meet Sir Alan. How are you?
I'm good, how you doing?
I'm ready to go.
Yeah, good man.
We've made it into the lobby with Sir Alan, and I've just inputted a load of data, and I don't know what it's for.
What we're going to do, I'm Sir Alan, so I'm
Welcome.
going to be putting Brad through hell for the next 6 weeks. This is a transformational program, so it's a mental, physical, emotional, and psychological transformation. So we are doing this, so this is the first thing. This is called the biosignature analysis, and we will be tracking its progress weekly. Weight, body composition, so on and so forth, and hormonal profile. So
Wow, it's very, very detailed.
we will go in depth.
Okay.
Completely. And one thing you have to understand, Brad, is that first of all, things like cookie, that cookie next to you, you shouldn't make eye contact with it.
I've just been told I'm not even allowed to have the cookie with my coffee.
Give it to me. It's here. No more. No more sugar. No cookies. No, don't look at anything. And if you want to have sugar, I will give you a date. One date. You don't eat it. You don't chew it. You lick it whenever you feel like you need sugar. And you.
This is going to be hell.
It's going to be dreadful. No, it's going to be fun. Yeah. So this is what we're going to do, Brad. And I would like you to understand that every time you want to go through something as intense as this, you have to understand that it's for you. Mm-hmm. You have to test your strength, your determination, because this is not, you don't need motivation to achieve this, you need discipline. The difference between discipline and motivation is huge. Discipline is doing what you're supposed to do, what you have to do, even when you don't feel like doing it.
I feel like that a lot. Another one? More coffee.
We're going to go down soon and detect your measurements.
Yep.
And then from there, once I have your measurement, this will give me details about your hormonal profile. And that makes it so easy to get you to change fast. So I will design according to your measurements what to do.
Yep.
And most importantly, what not to do. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So we'll do that, and then and we'll take it from there.
Cheers.
So, cheers.
Let's do this.
Cheers.
Am I allowed to drink coffee?
Yeah, you're allowed to drink coffee, without sugar, of course.
This place is horrible. So I totally forgot that we needed a weighing scale so I could see how fat I am, and LT has saved the day. Thank you very much.
No worries at all,
Thank
man.
you.
How are you, man?
I'm good, man. I'm putting this guy through hell.
Really?
It's going to hell, man.
Really?
Yeah.
Damn.
We're doing like a 6-week program.
Yeah, we're doing
so
a transformational program.
I love that.
Because this guy has been eating for a long time. He's about to crush, demolish, destroy, and flush.
Jeez.
Oh yeah.
Damn, and he's signing up for this.
So I'm starting this journey at
78.6.
Yeah, come down to the gym, and Sir Alan has pulled out one of the scariest tools I think I've ever seen. What is that?
Wow, these are calipers.
Yeah.
Okay, so calipers, 12 site measurement, and then from there we'll determine your fat percentage, and then we take it from there. Once we have your fat percentage, the priorities, we can take you fairly and straight to hell.
Sounds like a plan.
Let's do this.
So Alan has now made me take my t-shirt off, and we are doing the calipers. So what are we measuring next?
So we're measuring the mid axillary, so which is around there.
Yeah.
so Brad, this is the moment of truth. We're going to determine your fat percentage now.
Yeah.
Your fat percentage is 28%.
Wow, it's a lot, isn't it?
That's high. It's quite high.
Oh my god.
Yeah, but fear not.
Yeah.
We're here to change. 28%. And you can see that your priorities are very simple. Priority number 1 is the pec. Yeah? The boobs, we have to get rid of them.
Yes, I know.
So priority number 1. Number 2 is the belly button.
Yep.
And number 3, the love handles. Cortisol, the stress hormone, and environmental carbohydrate, what you put in your mouth, what you eat. So this is fairly easy to fix. And you can see that you, over a period of time, have consumed a lot of carbs and People usually know what's wrong with them. They know their priorities. So number 1 is spec, number 2 is here, and number 3 is, and this is what you said before, beforehand. So we're going to fix this. So fat percentage is 28%. The range should be for men, usually it's 10 to 15%.
Okay.
So it's almost double. Let's do it. Let's do it.
First workout?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so measurements done, and we are now moved inside the gym where Sir Alan is going to put me through my first workout. What are we doing?
So we're going to, it's more of a fitness test today, what we're doing today. So it's going to be a good warm-up. And then I'm going to put you through a battery of tests.
Cool.
It's mostly to test your resilience, your strength, your conviction, determination. Because remember, we're going for 6 weeks. I want to see how tough you can be, because this is not for the faint-hearted. If you melt, if you collapse, then I'm going to step all over you. You're not quitting. You can't quit.
I can't quit on day 1.
Oh, it's impossible.
Let's do this.
3. Hold. Keep going. So that's the only problem. You're a good guy. It's fine. Let's go. Push.
We've barely started, and my arms feel like they're going to explode.
Talking about your arms. Those are the arms that reach out to each. You know, that's it.
All the popcorn I've had.
And the cookies. Not only the popcorn. So cookies.
How do you know about the cookies?
Brad, I think it's time to go. Back to work.
Oh my god.
Back to work, sir. Stop. Think about that back. Think of the Brad. You catch. Don't let it drop. Don't let it and then crush it and destroy it. Let's go. You go. 1, faster. 2, 3, faster. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Stop it. You have to picture the burgers fucking being eaten. Picture them and crush them now. Let's go. Hard. Catch. Good.
My heart is like...
Yeah, that's it. We have to attack the enemy. And the enemy is, we have to go after that enemy. Do something there. 5, a burger. And it's fantastic. Great job, man. Great job.
This is the hardest workout I've ever done. And we've only just started. It's a good push.
Training hard is one thing, but recovering harder, it's something else. You have to train hard and recover harder. That's why we're going to stretch you, and then we're going to give you a program to do in the steam, sauna, cold plunge, and jacuzzi, so you can recover fast. Do you feel it?
No. Oh my god, how do you do that?
This is key. It goes hand in hand.
Okay.
Yeah. So stretching and is a big part of this also.
It feels great.
Yeah. Super.
Wow. So that is session 1 done with Sir Alan. I feel pretty broken, but I'm ready for tomorrow, where we're doing a full group event here at Flow. RWC, Alan's company, are running. So we're going to check that out tomorrow. And that is the start of this journey. So I'll check in with you tomorrow morning. Today is recovery mall day now. See ya. Good morning, guys. It is day 2 and my body hurts. I didn't think we really did that much yesterday. Honestly, across like my arms and chest from all the push-ups, it really hurts, and we're straight back into another big workout this morning. So let's see how much I can push through on this one. I'm ready to go. Let's do this. So today is like a group session here at Flow, where the RWC guys are doing like a full session and then like an hour of recovery, which is like the cold plunge and stuff. So Currently we've got a load of people from Flow, the building we live, and also a load of external people coming in for the session. I hope I make it through. Now, as Sir Alan would say, welcome to hell. So they've set up a load of stations and things over here. We've got about 10 minutes until we're starting the workout. They said today is a lot of legs and lower body, but it's like a full body session anyway. And then the recovery by the pool and everything, which we'll take a look at later. Let's jump into it.
Bring Sally down. Good job. Well done, mate.
So up next we have a recovery session. We're going to spend some time in the pool doing some movement stuff. Then we're going to use the steam room and sauna and the cold plunge. I'm not going to film it for obvious reasons, but I'll let you know how we get on. So we have just finished session number 2 of our program.
Yeah, good.
It went really well.
Yeah, it went really well. So
Yeah.
I think you've been so far in 2 days. You've shown resilience, because we had the workout yesterday around midday,
Yep.
which was quite intense, and today's workout with RWC led by Todd it was a very good workout.
Yeah, really good. It was everything as well.
It was everything, yeah. So you've done very well.
Yeah.
So I'm very proud of you. And one thing we have to start focusing on now is food. What you put in your mouth, and when we talk about food, people tend to bypass what they drink. Easy to overdrink your calories.
Okay.
So this is something we have to focus on. So no sugary drinks, not even fresh juices for now.
Yep.
Okay. For the next 2 to 3 weeks.
I had an orange juice yesterday and I wasn't allowed it.
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. So water,
Yep.
tea,
I'm okay with just water and coffee.
and coffee. Good. Tomorrow is Sunday, right?
Yeah.
Tomorrow is Sunday. So you rest today. I presume, you know what you should do tomorrow?
Go on.
You should do a bit of cardio
Run club.
You can do the run club.
Okay, there we go.
Allow the body to kind of
Yeah.
recover. Within the next couple of weeks, we want the fat percentage to drop quick and fast.
Yeah, I could feel it coming off me. I was sweating like so much.
Quads,
My legs were
hamstrings.
shaking
Yeah,
by the end of it.
totally.
My arms were shaking.
Totally.
It was like
Totally.
intense. And we are done. I feel pretty broken after the past 2 days, but in a good way. It's a good start to the journey and I'm ready to jump into it. You guys can check out some of the classes RWC do. I'll drop a link below. And yeah, that is the start of this journey. I hope you guys are enjoying. Stick around to see me in more pain and the transformation. But apart from that, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you on the next part of this journey. Boom.